Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your lock screen PIN code. First of all, make sure that you are entering your security PIN code that you set up yourself and not the SIM card PIN code, simply because these two are often mistaken for each other. So just make sure that you're entering the right PIN code. If you're sure that you cannot remember the PIN code you entered the last time when you accessed your device, then the best solution in such case would be to contact HONOR customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely be able to help you out with this problem and will let you regain access to your device without removing any personal data from it. If this option is unavailable for you, however, you can perform a factory reset operation on your phone in two different ways. The first one is using any other device that you have access to enter the Find Hub service on your phone, then logging into your Google account that is linked to this smartphone, selecting it from the devices list and performing factory reset by selecting factory reset device. And the other way to perform a factory reset operation is locally. In order to perform a factory reset operation locally, you're going to have to enter the recovery mode on your smartphone. And if you want to know exactly how to do that, you can check the separate video on our channel. I suppose it's titled How to Perform Factory Reset Operation through Recovery Mode on HONOR X7d. And there will explain everything step by step for you, so you're highly welcome to go ahead and check it out. Otherwise, you can stay with me and I'm gonna briefly mention how you can do this. Right now I want to show you the solution for the last scenario. If you do remember the PIN code for your smartphone, you just cannot enter it because your phone simply won't accept it on your lock screen. In such case, you can enter the safe mode in order to try to access your device from there, because there might be some third-party application that is affecting the way that your lock screen behaves, and in such case you just have to go into mode where third-party applications are disabled in the background. So in order to enter the safe mode, you're gonna have to hold down the volume down button and the power button at the same time until your device's screen goes off, and right after it goes off, you have to switch the volume down button to volume up button, keeping holding the power key. Then once your screen goes off, release both of those keys. Keep holding them. Okay, and right now you can release those buttons. And now if you wanted to perform a factory reset operation locally, you have to navigate in this menu using either volume keys and the power button to select, or you can use your finger instead. So if you want to perform factory reset operation, select clear data, then go to factory reset and then select enter the word yes and select factory reset. Otherwise, if you want to enter the safe mode and try the last method, select the safe mode on the list and then wait until your device boots into it. Once you have entered safe mode, try entering your PIN code once again, and just in case it works for you this time, open settings on your smartphone, scroll all the way down to Security and Privacy section, go to Device Unlock, then tap the gear icon next to the screen lock, select Disable Lock Screen Password, tap OK, and then enter your password once again to confirm. After that, restart your phone by pressing the volume up key and the power button at the same time, and then select Restart and confirm. Once your device is restarted, you can feel free to start using your phone normally again. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.